These bad boys just came out last weekend, didn't they? Employee of the month I've ever seen. So yeah. So if you get 99 and you get that extra coupon, those are the Soldier 13s. These are just turbos for 75. Wow. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks at the Citadel, the most packed Nike outlet out in Los Angeles. It is Friday. Friday at like 2 o'clock. And yeah, let's see what happens, you guys. It is friends and family weekend. I've had no luck because I didn't even get a coupon, so I really had no luck. So let's see what we find, you guys. If I find anything really dope, I'm gonna see if I can talk to the manager into giving me a 30% coupon since I didn't get any. So let's see what happens, you guys. All right, let's see what's up. Hope we find stuff. Find some heat. All right, we're gonna start with the smaller size. I'm not really looking for anything for myself, so look at the size 5s, you guys. Holy guacamole, the trophy rooms. These bad boys just came out last weekend, didn't they? Wow, the trophy rooms. Trophy room, Kyrie 6. These are dope. Hella dope. I like the fact that the laces have like that little gold in them. Kind of matches along with everything else. Dope. Dope find, you guys. Damn. We're gonna find all kinds of good stuff here. This is a size. Let's see what size this is. Size 5, right? Yeah, size 5. Going for retail. Got some more size 5s. Oh, this is the first employee of the month I've ever seen. So yeah, this bad boy's going for retail too, which isn't the greatest deal, but if you got a friends and family coupon, man, that makes it worth it. Makes it worth it because that comes out to 30% off. Damn. Got a few of these mocks, the Fear of God moccasins. These are size 7s. And what? I forgot to check the price for you guys. Not bad. Going for $120. We've seen these for under 100, but this is the all black colorway. We haven't seen one of these at the outlet in a long time. Got the Air Barrage lows. I didn't know they made a low colorway of this one. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know they made a low version of these sneakers. I thought they were all highs. Kind of playing with the white and the blue. What size is this? Size 7.5. Going for retail. Right under that, got the Enlightenments. Man, they got a lot of good stuff here. A lot of good stuff, especially if you have that 30% off coupon. Still in the smaller sizes, 6.5. The MTAAs. More than an athlete. LeBron. These do not have these normally come with extra covers, lace covers, and it also usually comes with a couple of Sharpies. Doesn't look like those accessories are here. But yeah, if you get it for, use that friends and family coupon, get 30% off, man. Get it for $140, so it might be worth it. Definitely might be worth it. As you guys, if you guys have seen this video in the past, like the sizes are all kind of mixed up. But yeah, the 8.5s, LeBron, John Elliott's going for $250. Air Force Max going for $70. The pink, black and pink colorway. The original Alpha Dunk, the colorway, size 8, going for $90. We are in the 9.5s now. Got the LeBron Witness going for $80. That's the Alpha Bounce, again, size 9.5. Got them in 10, going for $90. It looks like it just hit the clearance wall from the regular section because yeah, they've got them in all kinds of colors. $90. You got that friends and family. Use that and get 30% off. And the size 10, 10.5, and they're kind of just everywhere. These are still going for $120. The Air Max Clots. We saw these going for $70 at the clearance center. Got the Air Max 97s. Oh, these are size 11s. I don't know why, but pretty clean. All black with the white midsole. And it looks like it's been worn at least once though. I don't mind. Just know what you're getting yourself into, especially when you pay retail prices. Air Force Max lows going for $90. All right, we did find a bunch of heat in the smaller section, but nothing in the bigger section so far, you guys. Oh, got these. What are these? The 720. These are the 720 waves. Going for $150. $150. Get 30% off with the coupon. If you like running, the Odyssey React Flyknit 2s going for $60. That's a solid deal. We're in the size 11. Not really much, you guys. The React Flyknit 2s going for $90. Kind of an interesting colorway. And some Flex Runners going for $35. Like the budget models, not too bad. Yeah, the mocks just must have made it to the aisles. This is size 9.5, but we have seen these like all over the clearance section. Kind of seeing the same stuff over and over. We're still in size 11. Got the Air Force Max. Got a couple of those. Go for $70. Got the OBJs. Go for $139. The OBJ Joyrides. Air Max Triax. We've seen a few of these. They kind of, I thought it was the tailwinds from the side, but apparently they're a little different. Go for $90. Oh, dang, the Viotex did hit the aisles, you guys. Look at that. The Viotex did hit the aisles. I don't know what the price is, though. This is a size 12. Size 12. These will go for, what, 99? So if you get 99 and you get that extra coupon, it might be worth it. Might be worth it. Normally $140. So, yeah, we are still in size 11. So I don't know why that 13 was in the size 11. Got the Zoom Fly Fly Nets going for $60. Kind of dope. Kind of like this. Look at that. It says racing on the tips and that other color, like the reddish color. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Hella comfortable shoes, you guys. $60. Use that coupon, make it even cheaper there. So do still have a few of the Viotex. That's the size 12. There's no way they're going for $140. Not really that much heat, you guys. This whole weekend's kind of been disappointing. Let me check out the size 13s and then let's check out the aisles as well. See if you guys can score some deals with your friends and family. Usually the size 12 and 13, they usually have all kinds of stuff, but yeah, not much, you guys, not much. Got these Vomero 5s go for $40. Those are kind of mediocre. They got some size 10 and a half here. I don't know why in the big section, but yeah, those are the Soldier 13s. These are hella dope, hella dope. Go for $70. That's actually a really good price. Let's go back to the size 12, 13s, the Vomeros. This doesn't have a price on it because there's no way those will go for $140. What are these right here? These Rival Flies, kind of like some budget running shoes, go for $45. Size 12 and a half. Oh, you think you don't see too many 12 and a halves. Some Air Force Ones. Kind of dope. Got a little hit of gold on it. See what these bad boys go for. And that little stitching has like a different color too. Kind of like a gold or bronze. Going for retail, $140. Might be worth it if you guys use that friends and family coupon. There's some Air Max 2017s going for $60. That's kind of a steal. Size 14 though. Not much in the clearance section. It looked promising at the beginning, but yeah, not much. So let's go check out the aisles. The Jordan section, they rarely ever have anything. They did have the Ferrari 14s here. I still don't see them in the clearance section, so they might be in the back. Might have to ask for them. The 720s go for $80. The Proto Max 720s. The Proto Reacts. These bad boys sat everywhere, so they're gonna sit even at $105. Got the shattered backboard colorway of the 270s. And $109, that's still too high for these. Bread colorway of the 270 mark. And these are still regular price. These have been like this for what, 3 weeks? Wow, that's a long time for regular retail, not even outlet retail, regular retail. Dang. Wow, these are starting off high, man. What are these? The LeBron 16 remix, I believe. Or for $160, plenty of sizes. Soldier 14, plenty of sizes. LeBron 16 low Miami colorway, plenty of sizes, you guys. We did see these at them at Shoe Palace for $100 though. Metcon 4Ds, man. Metcons, just look in the clearance sections. You always find these in the clearance. I can't believe these are still going for $120. Actually, they were down to $109 and then they raised them. But yeah, I got mine for like $50 some, and that was here. That's what I don't understand. That's weird. $110 for these Air Max 98s. Look pretty dope. Kind of dope. Like a mint colorway with the gray. Well, I think it's Vast Gray. Air Max 95s. I'm pretty whatever with this color. Tailwinds. I do love this color, but yeah, I don't like that price tag of $165. The Air Max Plus. Does it mean, or does this kind of look like the Torch, which is like their budget version? But yeah, not too bad. I have no clue why this price is so high, man. Seems like really high. Cheapest we've seen a Vapor Max. These are the Nike Air DSVMs. I don't know what the hell that stands for. Pretty ugly. One of the ugliest Vapor Max I've ever seen. If you guys are a fan of those, it's all good though. Whatever. $100, good price. BB4 is kind of expensive, man. $120. I don't know why these are so damn expensive. This is right next door. Look, they try to trick you with a red, like it's a hell of a good deal. Look, right there it's black. Right there it's red. That's hilarious. Some type Hirachis. I don't know what the hell that is, but some special Hirachi. So in my opinion, so when you have a friends and family coupon or something like that, make sure you guys know how to use it, because Yeah, the stuff in the clearance section is almost always 30% off or 20% off. So I usually go through the aisles to see if there's anything in the aisles, because stuff in the aisles are rarely ever 30% off. So usually I go through the aisles really carefully to see if there's anything that I want. We are in the women's section. It is crowded as hell. But yeah, I got the Jordan 7. I don't know what colorway they call this, but Jordan 7. These are patent leather. All patent leather. Yeah, I've been curious about how these crease, especially when it's like that much patent leather. But yeah, these bad boys came out a while ago. They didn't sell out, obviously, since they're here. But can't believe they're still asking for retail though. $190. Dang, that's crazy. Not really finding much, you guys. Air Max 98's going for retail. We've seen these clearance section. We've seen that in different outlets. That's interesting. Got some Joyride optics going for $1.25. I guess these aren't that bad. Not bad for women. Not too shabby. Oh, okay. We're in the size 7.5 now. And yeah, I got the Jordan 1 lows, man. Or Jordan 1 high zips. Dang, these, like, the leather's so good on this. Every time I see this, I'm like, damn, y'all wasted that much good leather. The leather is so nice, but the zipper just makes it so ugly. Is there anything underneath? Oh, it's just leather. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, $65, dude. Wait, still high because they're just ugly. Size 8. These are $90. You use that friends and family coupon, man. Get that for hella cheap. That's what's up. I guess these just made the clearance wall because, yeah, there's got them all day, all different sizes. These go for retail as well. Air Max 98, kind of a pastel purple, gray, white colorway. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Too high though. Got some Cortezes, $50. Yeah, this is like it's like a fabric on the outside, so it's not like a premium thing. $50 though. Got some Flex trainers going for $35. Dang, that's cheap. Some React 270s. What these React 270s going for? Size 8. Says it's going for retail. That seems hella high. Got some Air Force Ones. Go for $90. Going for retail. The all white ones. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Pretty clean too. Size 7. Pretty clean. Odyssey React 2 Flyknits going for what? $85. Air Max 200s. Why is this one going for retail? That's nuts. All right, let's check out the aisles, man. There's really not much going on in the clearance section. You got the Tailwinds going for $100. That's one of the more expensive Tailwinds. Got the Air Max Plus going for $130. Got the Vapor Max going for what? $135. 720s with the huge Air Max unit in the back. I don't know who. Out of you guys, are these that comfortable? I don't know. Air Max in general, I don't think are that comfortable, but I've never tried these on. And then I got is this the Iron Man colorway or the 49ers colorway? I don't know. You guys tell me. $130 for these. These are the Air Max DIAs. Kind of weird looking. Like the air's like, you could see like the imprint of the air thing, but the whole thing has plastic around it. Kind of weird. And has like the interesting air logo. But yeah, go for $90. $90. Normally $120, I guess. Air Max Corelate, got that old school flavor to it. Another colorway with the Air Max Corelates with the old school flavor. Pegasus Turbos for $75. Wow. Wow. If you guys got the friends and family coupon, that's the one to use it on. Wow. Yeah, those are definitely not suggest MSRP $125. These are MSRP $180. So dang, under 50%. And if you could use your friends and family, you get it an extra 30% off. Damn, that's crazy. They only got size 8, 8.5, 9, and 9.5 because that price is crazy. How is the Pegasus Turbo cheaper than the Pegasus? That's crazy. These are like a hella ugly Pegasus Turbos, but look, $55 for Pegasus Turbo. I'm tripping out because that's the cheapest we've ever seen them. Oh, they're ugly as balls. Don't get me wrong, and I definitely can't get them. But still, you guys just want running. Or just super comfortable shoes, or what's called, you guys need to get these, man. These are crazy, and they're still sitting 7 all the way to size 10 in women's. Wow, that's crazy. Their Odyssey Reacts kind of expensive. Epic React Flyknits too, kind of expensive here. These are the Legend React. These are kind of the cheapest regular React shoes. That's crazy that the turbos are cheaper than these, man. That's crazy. All right, let's wrap it up, you guys. Wrap it up. I didn't get much of the apparel, but I also don't know how long. I think this video is getting kind of long anyway, so I'm gonna wrap it up and yeah, summarize and on to the next one. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Yeah, that was an interesting trip because the beginning it started off so promising in the smaller section in the clearance aisle, and then there just wasn't much. I was like, what the hell? So yeah, can't win every time though. You know, I've gotten plenty of steals from that place, and it is 2:45 now, so it is kind of late. So it is what it is, you guys. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like button, help your boy out. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to my channel, and make sure you guys click on that notification bell. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Oh, there's actually no music right here. There's music everywhere in this mall. Freaking pain in the butt with the copyrights and stuff, man. All right. On to the next one. I think one more and go home.